Magandang buhay. Ito pala yung Caguaet White Beach Resort na sinasabi ng karamihan na maganda daw dito mamasyal. Maganda daw dito ang view. It's because super very crystal clear water. So by the way guys, ito pala ay located sa Caguaet, Surigao del Sur. So isa sa nagustuhan ko dito, it's because ang dagat dito is talagang very clear. So wala kang makikita na na madumi. It's because clean talaga. It is managed by the local government unit of Caguaet. And isa din is very affordable lang. 20 pesos lang yung entrance dito kasi short vacation lang may dito. Tapos may mga cottages din dito. So hindi ko na po napakita pero affordable lang din yung mga cottages. So guys, I would highly recommend na if you want to visit beautiful beaches, isama niyo po sa bucket ang Caguaet Surigao del Sur Caguaet White Beach. Mura lang. Maraming salamat, baba.